How to create a return policy or refund policy for your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to get this done. Now, I will show you obviously the basics, the templates, everything that you need to know, but then it's going to be down to you and your store specifically to read through it and obviously adjust it to your store's needs. And also, if there are some things that are missing you want to add, you will need to add them as well. So this is just going to be the basics, and then you would want to continue off from there on your own, because each store is different and unique, and it really depends on what you are actually selling and how you actually want to handle the returns. But in simpler terms, what we can do is first open up a new browser tab. Just make sure your Shopify here is open. Doesn't really have to be, but open up a new browser tab and this just type in return policy generator Shopify, and then you will get this website right here, which is refund policy generator. So just go ahead and click on that, and then you would want to basically scroll down a little bit until you find get your refund policy plus a free trial for Shopify. So basically, you want to add your company name, email, address, city, zip code, and all of those things. And you will need to basically make sure that everything is correct 100%, because this is going to translate to the return policy. Is actually going to be listed in there. So you can't really just make stuff up and add them as if they are yours. So just go ahead and add all of these necessary things. And you can just go ahead and click on send me my return policy, and I will show you how that's going to look like. Great, so I added some dummy stuff here, and basically once you do this, you get your the return policy sent to you to your email address that you added. So just go ahead and open up your email address real quick. And as you can see, we get this email. You want to just click on get your refund policy right now, and it's just going to open it up for you, and you will basically want to copy it. Now, like I said, they're actually going to add the address that you state, your email, everything is going to be added. So make sure that you do it correctly. And this is just some dummy stuff that I put in. And basically, you want to just go ahead and copy to clipboard, and you got your return policy set. Now, like I said, it's not going to be enough to have this. You'll actually need to read through it and make sure you adjust things properly to fit to your store. But now that we have our policy, let's say it is completely ready now, 100%, we can just go in and exit out of here, and we can just go to our Shopify store. Now we can just go to settings and just go to the bottom where we see policies, and we can just click on return and refund policy. And we can just go ahead and paste this in. And also, I forgot to mention that you can just go ahead and insert a template right away. And you can just go ahead and start adjusting it to your liking from here, which could have been a lot easier, to be honest. But anyways, now that we got this, we're just going to actually use it. I did not do all of this work for nothing. So you want to basically paste it in here. And obviously, just make sure you read it one more time just for good measure. And then just click on publish. And you're pretty much set. What other people do is actually go ahead to their online store and go to pages, create a new page, and name it return policy. And then in the content, they basically just paste this in, save, and they add it to their navigation as well, just to make sure people will be able to see it. So if you just go to navigation, you have the normal menu or the footer menu. So it really depends where you actually want to place it. But this is another good way to show your return policy. With that being said, this is pretty much how to create a return policy to your Shopify store. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.